Chris, the Frugal Audiophile here. Just wanted to make a fairly quick video and talk about what happened to me last night and how I fixed it in case someone else has the same issue. So this is a Harmony 700 remote from Logitech, very familiar. Last night I was using the Harmony desktop software on my 2019 MacBook Air with the M1 chip, and I somehow, well, that software is really buggy and sometimes it just crashes during the sync, and that's what happened. And my screen went blue. The screen up here, you see it there, it just went blue. It had a few words on it. I'll put a picture in the video here, and I couldn't do anything. I tried to sync it and it refused to do it. And so I was bewildered, and of course we all know that these remotes are difficult to find now. If you do, they're pretty expensive. And so I did some research on the internet, and I found that you can put this remote into safe mode. So if this happens to you, if your Harmony gets stuck or it gets bricked, or you get the blue screen of death like I did last night, this is what you do. So you pull out the batteries, take them out of there, and then it'll shut down, and you unplug it from USB, you hold down the off button up here, and then you plug in the USB and keep holding that button, and a screen will come on. You'll see a picture here up on the screen of that, and it'll be in safe mode, and then you can resync. And so that should work for a lot of issues with bricking that can happen with this Harmony remote. Yeah, so that's it. That's all you have to do, and it should work in most cases. It might not work in all. I mean, I can't compensate for all scenarios out there, but for me and what happened with my Harmony, that worked, and I can continue using this remote without having to purchase an expensive used one off of eBay. So hope that helped, and thank you so much for watching this video.